How to add nearby friends on Snapchat. Good day, folks. Welcome to the channel. This is what your Snapchat looks like, and this is where you can find all your profile settings. So you're going to want to go and scroll down a little bit over here, and you can see right at the bottom there is a Snap map. Now once you tap on the actual map, you will see that you are able to actually see yourself on the map itself. And then you can actually go around and you can have a look for some of your friends. It seems I don't have any friends nearby. It's actually quite sad. But once you actually do, you can go ahead and you can tap on them, and you can actually tap on the person with the icon, and you can actually see their stories, and then you can also add them. There we go, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about this topic, you can go ahead and drop it in the comment section, and we'll see you in another awesome video. Happy Snapchatting. Goodbye.